All right, hi. Hi, I'm Kerry, and I'm out here in the Great Antelope Valley, and I've driven by this refrigerator for a couple of days. It's right here on the ground next to this bag of rotten food that I pulled out of the refrigerator, and so this refrigerator is 9 years old. It was manufactured in 2015. I already looked on the information label on the inside. It's a Amana and 25 cubic foot. It's 36 inches wide and about 70 inches tall. So we're gonna see if this refrigerator, if we can bring it back to life. I would say at this point it might be about a 50-50 chance, maybe 60-40, but it's been lying on its side, and so I could see that this water line has been chewed from rats, and right here, oh shit, this is bent. This is bent out. We'll just kind of try to bend it back without breaking it. Okay, and it looks like all the tubing is fine. So and it's got the world's best compressor on it. So what we'll do is we'll leave it upright for 3 or 4 days, 2, 3, 4 days, maybe longer, and we'll let all the lubricating oil from the compressor, it worked its way out into the reeds over here. So we need everything to kind of try to flow back into this pot here, because if you turn it on right now, it'll just burn itself right out in about 30 seconds. So we'll let everything settle for a bunch of days, and then we'll plug it in and go from there. And more than likely it had a defrost problem, and the people didn't want to deal with it, so they just threw it out in the desert. A 9-year-old refrigerator that could have been fixed if they found the right person. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. This is Kerry. Thanks for watching.